What is up, guys? It's your boy David King here with a new series I call Unboxing the Best. Well, I'm going to take you guys along with me on my journey to upgrade my shoe game with unique and cool looking shoes that not only turn heads and look good, but don't cost a ton of money. So that way, if you do see something you like on my channel, you'll be able to go out and buy it yourself without having to break the bank. So right here, I've got the first pair in this series. This came from GOAT. If you don't know about GOAT, it is a cool app and website that sells shoe and clothing, new and used, and they verify everything. So really nice site, really quick ship time, very professional, and you get a lot of selection. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this box open. So I did decide to go with a Nike shoe here. I will state not every shoe is going to be Nike, and not every shoe is going to be the same colorway or style. I like to change it up, so we'll definitely see a lot of different options here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. You get the shoe box within the box whenever you order from GOAT, along with the paper. And I'm going to push this off to the side, pull this over here. I know you guys have seen an Air Force One box, but I'm going to go ahead and pull this shoe. So with GOAT, you do get a sticker and a verification tab that shows you everything they did to verify the shoe. But inside the box is really what matters here. I've got for you the Nike's Air Force One Somos Familia Edition. This is a very, very cool shoe, very unique. This is a special edition, so this isn't something they'll have released consistently, and it's just real nice. The outside is all cloth except for the swoosh is a leather, and it's half red. I'm gonna bring it nice and close for you. Half red, half white. This is a nice tan, almost like a sand color. This is a light yellow, and then you get the black with the Nerf orange on the inside and the black sole. It's a really good looking shoe, and this is really cool because it gives a shout out to Day of the Dead from Mexico, which is really nice. It has the Somos Familia logo on the back of the shoe there, as well as, even if you look on the toe of the shoe, you see that it's got little dots with a circle around it, and that's actually signifying the beginning and end of life. This is something traditional in Mexico, and it's a very cool shout out to the tradition in itself. But I like the shoe even without all that story added to it. It's a really cool looking shoe, and these only cost $120, and I wear a size 13, so that's a pretty good deal. Really good looking shoe. I really like it. I'll definitely be rocking these. But yeah, so that's the first shoe in this series. I'm gonna have a lot of other shoes coming. I've already got one pair on the way, so definitely check out the next video because there's another pair of shoes that are gonna be just as unique and cool, just completely different from this shoe. So thank you guys so much for watching this. Please keep tuning in. I'll have some really cool shoes to upgrade y'all's game as well as my game, and not have to spend a ton of money. So you guys have a good day, and I will talk to you later. See ya.